of the flourishing film industry in Northern Ireland. All very timely, of course, the last series of Game of Thrones airing on Monday of next week. Noel's down there in the Strand Cinema in East Belfast. You looking forward to it?
Oh, can't wait, can't.
One of the artifacts, what have you got in there? So within RSC Conduit, within the visitor centre, there's a number of exciting offerings. And I suppose the most exciting and what will attract people to this is a good tourist station. It is.
That's something you see every day.
Is the exhibition itself. So we've been working with folks from Redhead Exhibitions. Some of your listeners may know the City Hall redevelopment recently in terms of the exhibition.
Axles.
They've driven and developed that, so we're delighted to be
the axles come off the back.
What we have is a world-class visitor.
Raising an eyebrow. What is it they say about a butterfly's wings fluttering in one part of the world and causes a tornado and
read the sign! Read the sign!
We're offering a range of short break packages in amazing locations in Donegal, Sligo, Leitrim and Roscommon. These offers are only available on our site, so don't delay. Treat yourself to a great May getaway only at irelandhotels.com.
Join Kearns Drive direct from Naples and Sorrento all this week on the Neapolitan Riviera.
the 5th largest economy in the world. We give away 15 billion to overseas development for other countries. Now, a lot of your listeners don't realise that 1 billion is 100 million. So get a priority right. We have to cut back on giving to other countries and look after our own, because sooner or later our money's going to run out, and I can't see any other nation around the world that take a collection for the United Kingdom. I think it's disgusting.
He's done really well, kids, hasn't he? That's your opening line there and then, just sort of.
I'm sure they're probably going.
Yes, well, I appreciate that, but
Being placed all over the school.
but it'll make it sound like you know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Well done.
I
Well done.
Okay, I might not be able to pronounce all school names of where I'm going, but I do my best.
Right, /Nolan, that's for this week or next week. bbc.co.uk/Nolan's where you find the link to the tickets so you can come down and watch Nolan live. Completely free, of course. So we'll see you on Wednesday night. Thank you very much indeed for your company today. If you're sending me a tweet at Stephen Nolan, a Snapchat, Radio Nolan, on Facebook, The Real
the
Stephen
hell?
Nolan. Weigh-in day tomorrow. I'm going to see if I can get below 15.
There's always love. There are sirens all around in the streets of me. If I can make it here, I can make it anywhere. That's what they say. See my face in lights, on my name of monkeys found down on Broadway.
What the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Phone in her hand. She's a phone in her hand.